combining all-round activations and digital buzz to help the Gen Z move on from their exes. Let's give a huge round of applause to Nishika, Tanya, Muskan, Navita and Tanya.
Good afternoon to the respected dignitaries, teachers, and my fellow friends. I am Tanya and this is my team, Muskan, Rishika, Tanya, Navita. We all are here from BBA second semester and today we are going to showcase a case study on how Sunny's Fantastic combine all-round activations and digital buzz to help Gen Z move on from their exes. Here's a little break for getting to know more about the campaign.
Tarun is talking on the phone while walking. On the other hand, Muskan is searching for something in her bag, rushing towards Tarun. Two souls, two stories, one fateful collision. एक टकरार थी, एक नजर का असर था, दिल बेकरार था, कुछ तो खास सफर था, ना अल्फाज मिले, ना कोई इजहार था, बस खामोशी में छुपा एक प्यार था. They smiled awkwardly, exchanged numbers and said bye. Days turned into months and soon Tarun popped the question. Holding each other's hands, laughing together on silly things, planning future together. Classic lovey-dovey couple vibes दे रहे थे तरुण और मुस्कान. मोहब्बत अपनी रफ्तार में थी. बेखबर सी बात थी. कल तक जो अजनबी थी, आज दिल के साथ थी. निगाहों ने कहा कुछ, लबों को क्या जरूरत थी. सबने अब साथ घूमते हैं, जैसे यही तकदीर की सूरत थी. But love, is it about always roses, right? Muskan's birthday came, bright, hopeful, and Tarun? No call, no wish, no text, just silence. Well, Muskan was calling him continuously and he kept ignoring her call. एक इंतजार था जो खत्म ना हुआ, दिल था रोशन पर रास्ता धुआं धुआं. एक दिन था कभी जो लगता था खास, आज किसी के लिए बन गया एक राज.
You forgot my birthday. I waited all day. You're making it a big day. It's just a day. Just a day. I mattered once, do I even now?
Words few, emotions flat, and in a moment of anger, Tarun raises his hand on Muskan and she steps back hurt.
You were supposed to love me, not hurt me.
मुस्कान walks away crying क्योंकि जहाँ मोहब्बत हो वहाँ इज्जत होनी चाहिए. Days passed, no call, no message. While Tarun was busy with some other girl, Muskan on the other hand was grieving. Muskan finally calls Tarun to patch up, even though it wasn't her fault. Tarun coldly said he has moved on with someone less dramatic. Tarun coldly said he has moved on with someone less dramatic. दिल का टुकड़ा था जो अब यादों का बोझ रह गया. वक्त के साथ सब कुछ कहीं खो सा गया. एक कॉल आई और खामोशी छा गई. बात यहाँ तक आ गई कि उस पल में रिश्ता ही खत्म हो गया. The gaslighting, the manipulation and the betrayal. कभी-कभी हम उन्हीं से प्यार कर बैठते हैं जो हमें सबसे गहरी चोट दे जाते हैं. मगर हर कहानी जो खत्म होती है वही तो एक नई शुरुआत की रोशनी लाती है. Sometimes love weighs you down. Not every bond is a blessing. In life and in love, dump what no longer serves you. Let go of the excess, be it anger, ego, or someone who forgets your worth. You too can choose peace over pain, healing over holding on. Dump your excess, heal with sentence.
Sunny's Fantastic campaign titled #Dump Your
the idea was nice. Presenting it in a role play was really impressive, and the way you have added that fun factor to it, that was additional advantage, additional point. But it would have been great if you would have shown again in case studies the focus is on data, the statistics. That would have been a great, it would have been a better one if you would have added more data to it. Otherwise, overall, it was very well tried and very well performed.